Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Subu Artworks. Today I come up with another beautiful craft, cardboard frames. So we've been making a lot of artworks and crafts in our channel, like a painting, different type of paintings. So where we're going to keep them, we need some frames, right? So instead of buying those frames from outside, spending too much money on them, so we can actually make uh, cardboard frames at our home. And the best part is which are really cost friendly, and also you can make them in whatever the size you want. So without delay, let's start our today's video. And don't forget to subscribe our channel and also press the bell icon for more updates. Watch this video till end, and also don't forget to share your frames photos to my Instagram, and link is already in the description. And have fun.